Welcome to our channel. Today we're cooking up something delicious, pork giniling with rice. Here's everything you need. Prep your ingredients and let's get cooking. First, heat some oil and let those potatoes sizzle. Time to bring in the carrots. A little colour, a little crunch. Yes, please. Green peas join the party. Don't forget to season to taste. Veggies are done. Set them aside. We're just getting started. Now, let's bring in the flavour, garlic, onions, and some sizzling magic. Tomatoes go in. Let them cook down into a rich, tasty base. Time for the star of the dish, minced pork. Cook until golden brown. Flavor boost incoming. Spices, tomatoes, onions. And a splash of soy sauce. Bay leaves for that extra depth. Cover and let the magic happen. Give it a stir now and then. Good things take time. Now let's bring it all together. Potatoes, carrots and peas go back in. Let it cook for a few more minutes until everything is beautifully combined. And there you have it, pork giniling served with rice and ready to enjoy. If you loved this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious dishes.